ABAT stock analysis and ABAT stock predictions. In this 1-minute video right now, I'm going to show you my exact play and my exact everything, you know, because I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. I'm not saying this is the thing, you know, I'm not saying this is your get out of jail free card. You should obviously do your own due diligence. I'm just showing you exactly how I would play ABAT. I've been in the markets for 5 years and it's all documented on my YouTube channel. So ultimately all it comes down to is that, scroll down, yeah, this is where we are, and the only thing that I would care about is the price actually giving me this second break above here. Therefore my swing idea is going to be that long side prediction. On the lower time frame, there's again break-evens about to be freaking hitting. They're getting hit. Ideally, if I see it pulling down in my demand zone here, then gives me that some sort of like a shift and a double break, then and only then I'm still going to look to double down and buy. Other than that, like randomly getting involved in buying, it's not going to be happening. So yeah, I mean, I'm just praying for pull downs and correction. If that thing does not happen, there's no way I'm buying. Just saying. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.